from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.7% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The Federal Reserve is in focus next week as uncertainty swirls over how much the US Central Bank will cut interest rates at its monetary policy meeting and the pace at which it will reduce borrowing costs in coming months. The S&P 500 index is just 1% shy of its July record high. The US dollar fell on Friday to its lowest level in nearly 9 months against the Japanese yen, after media reports once again fueled speculation the Federal Reserve could deliver a supersized 50 basis point interest rate cut at its policy meeting next week. Nearly 30% of US Gulf of Mexico crude oil production and 41% of its natural gas production remained offline on Saturday following Hurricane Francine. Francine churned through prime oil and gas producing areas in the US Gulf of Mexico and slammed into Louisiana with up to 100 miles per hour winds.
Thank you for your insightful ideas. And now, let's review today's major economic events.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, the Eurozone's trade balance at 9 GMT. Italy's consumer price index will be released at 8 GMT, the Eurozone's labour cost at 9 GMT, Italy's trade balance EU at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.